luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
Did you hear that, Alton? We must all be vigilant. Spies here? They don't look suspicious of me at all. Strange, perhaps. You'll have to excuse Alton. Sometimes he can be a bit too vigilant. Stop being paranoid, Alton, and get back to work. They'll be leaving this transport any moment. What do you mean you are doing all the work? You ungrateful little twist. I just about recommend you.
What? A what? A camera? What's a camera? Oh, you're kidding me. Someone would actually take one of those on a vacation? Well, that's a first.
Clear.
You have your boarding pass? You all have your boarding pass. Please make sure you have your boarding pass handy. I'm kidding. You don't need your boarding pass.
I'm sorry, but you may not bring your jaw on through here. Oh, those are your young ladies. Come along. Oh, wow. Wow. Just when you think you've seen it all. I don't know. You don't leave it on the wall.
We're cleared for departure.
1401, that's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh, don't shoot! Prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am C.
We know you have this rebel spy on.
I have never seen that happen before. It's you. Oh dear.
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Now what? Pod race. I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. Twice the power! We won! Now come upon and let's get out of here! Watch out! What transmission?
You got on your ship, one loyal to our cause you carry.
The spy.
Deliver him, you must, or all will be lost. To your R2 unit, coordinates I will send. May the Force be with you.
I'm afraid we've all just joined the Rebel Alliance. Where are we going? But I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are purple. Perkin and are the legendary space whales, quite extraordinary and so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. This is your against one here. I'm gonna do some help.
No, we need to get her in!
appreciate the help. Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
SD-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! That's the maker. That's my ship. On behalf of Star Tours, thank you for joining us. No more adventures, Arthur.
Thanks.